Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Buick Envision 2021 to 2023? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box of the 2021 Buick Envision is located under the hood next to the battery and can be accessed by lifting the cover. It contains fuses that protect major systems such as engine control, lighting, HVAC, wipers, seats, and trailer functions. The engine compartment fuse box of the 2022 and 2023 Buick Envision is located under the hood beside the battery and is protected by a removable cover. It contains fuses for key systems, including the engine control, starter, lighting, HVAC, wipers, tailgate, and trailer functions. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box of the 2021 Buick Envision is located under the dashboard on the driver's side, behind a panel for easy access. It includes fuses that protect interior features such as power windows, infotainment, seat controls, interior lights, and charging outlets. The passenger compartment fuse box of the 2022 and 2023 Buick Envision is located beneath the instrument panel on the driver's side, hidden behind a removable panel. It contains fuses that protect systems like the DC-DC converter, body control module, lighting, power outlets, USB ports, radio, and interior electronics. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.